Hi guys, how to zoom in and out in CapCut PC. Now, open your project in CapCut PC. Drag your video clip onto the timeline and select it. Move your playback cursor, playhead, to the exact moment where you want the zoom effect to start. This is where the magic begins. So be precise. Look at the top right panel. Ensure you're on video and select basic. Scroll down to position and size and click the add keyframe button, the small diamond icon, to the right. A diamond marker will appear on your timeline clip. Here's a pro tip. Keyframes are the backbone of all smooth animations, so don't skip this. Move your playback cursor further right along the timeline to the spot where you want the video to be fully zoomed in. Spacing it tightly creates a fast zoom. Spreading it out makes it slower, right? This is the most important step because it controls the speed of your zoom. Go to the video preview player and drag the outer corner bounds inward to scale up the video or adjust the scale slider in the right panel. Click and drag the video inside the player to reposition the frame over your subject. A second keyframe drops automatically. This is where the zoom actually happens. To zoom back out, move the playhead further down the timeline, scale the video back down to its original size, or change the default scale back to 100%. CapCut will automatically generate the final keyframe to ease the clip back to normal. This creates a smooth zoom in, hold, and zoom out effect. If the zoom happens too fast or too slow, you can click and drag the diamond keyframe icons directly on your timeline clip to change their spacing.